Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Gotta be quiet. It's about 6:30 in the morning and the rest of the family's still sleeping. But we got a big group ride planned today. I'm gonna take off in about 2 minutes and I'm gonna go meet these guys. We got Kawasaki dirt bike, the same one from the last ride video. It actually changed hands already. So another buddy of mine bought it from the other guy. So he'll be out there. Got another Yamaha YZ450F, I think it is. We just got that thing running the other day. Had the car torn apart and everything, so we got it running smooth now. But that guy will be out there, and we also got a Raptor 700. So without any further delay, let's go get this thing started. Can't wait for you guys to come along. Let's go. Good. I told you. Oh, it looks good. Good tires on there. Yeah, let's get it off there and get it charged up.
Oh, dude, you even got a nice trailer. Well, you want to try charging it while it's on? See if it starts?
We could, yeah. You got a jump pack?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that. Yeah, as long as it's running, it's going to be charging itself up, so.
This is what you need, Ian.
Yeah, I know. I need one of these trailers. This is pretty nice.
I used to have one very similar to this, but I just gave it to a friend when I PCS because I didn't want to have to bring a trailer.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Nice Fox shocks on there. You got the floats.
Yeah, I need to.
Some Pro Armor.
I actually need to fucking pump them up, honestly.
They look good though. That's a nice set. Good tires too. This thing's gonna rip. So, interesting thing just happened. Before we were about to take off on our ride this morning, there's some people stopping in the middle of the street, the intersection. And now we gotta go play superhero because there were just a couple of kids that were wandering around, and so far, nobody knows where they come from. So we're gonna go try to see if we can find their house and get these kids back to their parents before we actually go on our ride. They're only 1 and 2 years old and they were just standing there in their diapers, so me having kids, my heart sank. So I'm gonna go around, see if I can find an open door where these kids might have come out of and hopefully get them back to their parents. Let's go. Yeah, there's the sheriff right there. All I'm trying to do is see if there's an open door somewhere where these kids might have come out of. All right, so we found them.
The gate was closed and
Yeah,
the
that
door was
house
shut.
that I've been banging on and ringing the doorbell and stuff.
Which one?
She was
Finally got
like
him.
passed out on drugs or
It's a
something.
two-story
'Cause-
house down there with the
Yeah,
SUV
well, she was
and
just
the
like,
truck in
oh
front
yeah,
and the
they're
great
mine.
car
What
in the
happened?
drive.
Oh,
Not
wow.
all concerned.
They had two
Like, how are you not
persons in
concerned?
the SUV that were
They were like
grade
6
eight.
So the
months
one
and
that you were
1 year
on,
old. Looks
okay.
like-
Wow. Well, I'm glad we found them.
Yeah, the cops said they don't need anything else from us, so we're good.
All right, I'll go flip around and come right back. Okay, I'll be right back. Good work. They finally found the house, woke up the parents. Kids are finally home. Sheriff's taking care of it, so let's get on with the ride. Alright, so we're rolling out from our friend's house. We're gonna head out to the little play area that's just down the road from us. I came over that one tabletop and the landing was this way. I was like, uh-oh, so I had to run down the side of it.
Dude, mine
right up here?
caught.
Yeah.
This is packed down enough that my rear tire actually gripped at one point and it threw me back. No, we were.
No, we were at a different spot. We can go to that later, but that's up the wash.
This is better for us, honestly.
Yeah.
Right here.
Let me take you guys in this little canyon over here. There's a tabletop in there that I really like.
Yeah, there's a lot of potential through here. We just have to.
Oh, I know. You have to like hit the right angle and you've got it.
We just have to go through it a couple, like find a way that we want to ride it.
Well,
go through it
I want to run back up and kind of run that little jump line back down we just did, because that was really good. Like it was just little hops all the way down.
Yeah, but not you're going to really launch on.
Yeah,
No?
yeah. Well, the other part is like you got that nice straight takeoff right there, but there's only 2 feet to the other side. So if you take off fast, you're way out in the flat.
Yeah.
So you got to kind of like scope it out before you actually hit it.
Go up more than forward. But
Well, that's what I mean though, is like even just popping over the top of that, you go way down the flats. I cleared it going this way and I almost landed in the flats. So Yeah, let's go up, hit that little jump line, and then I'll show you guys that tabletop back in there. There's a couple wall rides too.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
So any possibility?
Yes. We bottomed out a bit on that one. Woo!
Such an easy one to clear, but dude.
I bottomed out on that one because it's such a drop. I came down and just all the way down.
I'm babying the shit out of it, to be honest. Not even running.
I'll take you to that little tabletop. You can run over it a couple times, but the landing is like over to the right.
This bike scares me a bit, to be honest.
Just because it's too big or big enough?
It's pretty legit.
have to be able to line up that landing on the other side. It's kind of crooked.
Yeah, and if you go too far to the right to try to line it up better for a bike, you got that drop.
Right, yeah, you have to stay kind of in the middle, but just angle it at that. So once you run over it a few times, you get used to the line.
Yeah.
And then after that, you can just connect it. One more. You got this. He hasn't been out in about 12 years. He hasn't had his own, so it's been a long time. He used to race in high school, but he's got to shake the rust out. Oh, that was right there. Okay. That was right there.
This thing has so much oomph.
I know you're having a hard time keeping the front end back down, but you just cleared that second lip. I was like, that's
If I
it.
put my front end down, it would have looked beautiful.
Yeah.
This thing's got so much.
All right. Change in elevation around here. It's so steep. There you go. Unfortunately, we can't get the Raptor back out, so there's going to be me and the bikes today. Oh yeah, we need to go underneath the train tracks right there.